Hi guys. Today, I'll be building Lego Technic 42204 Fast and Furious Toyota Supra MK4. Check this box out. Let's start building now.
Why my worst enemy waits for me? Yeah, yeah. Talking too loud, showing the world that he's in charge here. Your face can't deny it. No matter what you say, their eyes don't show lights. No way, no way. You can't disguise, recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you'll ever need. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny.
Alright, now I'm
But it's
done.
not very funny right now.
Let's go take a review of it.
I will be again. But god damn it! Let's get the balance back, okay?
Watch out your mouth, make yourself clear. We may not believe. No, 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 no. Don't kid yourself. What has been said on earth can be erased. Just getting the phone out, though your pretty face can't deny it. No matter what you say, the eyes don't show lights. No way, no way. You can't disguise, recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you'll never need. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny. But it's not very funny right now. And I want it to be. I will be again. But god damn it!
Okay, let's compare it. Yeah, it is in the same size. Okay guys, so like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know in the comments about what do you think about that car. It is awesome and amazing. So guys, we will see you tomorrow because I'll be building one more Lego that I got from Christmas. So we'll see you tomorrow guys. Bye.